Hi! Today, we will study research questions and research design. To learn how to translate your ideas into testable research, let's start. First, let's explain what research questions are. Research questions are clear, focused questions that guide your study. They help you define what you want to investigate and ensure your research stays on track. A good research question should be specific, measurable, and feasible. For example, instead of a broad question like, what is the impact of social media? A more focused research question would be, how does daily social media use affect the mental health of teenagers? Next, let's talk about moving from research questions to research design. Once you have your research questions, you need to develop a plan for how you'll answer them. This involves choosing the right methodology, such as surveys, experiments, or case studies, and determining how you'll collect and analyze data. For instance, if your research question is about the impact of social media on teenage mental health, your research design might include a survey to measure social media use and mental health symptoms, along with a statistical analysis to identify correlations or causations. Now, let's discuss the importance of peer feedback in research development. Seeking feedback from peers or mentors can significantly refine your research questions and design. Sharing your ideas with others allows you to gain new perspectives, identify potential flaws, and improve your overall approach. For example, presenting your research proposal to a class or a group of colleagues can help you identify any gaps or biases you might have missed and strengthen your study's validity and reliability. Finally, aligning research questions with decision-making models is key to ensuring your research has practical implications. Decision-making models help translate research findings into actionable insights. For instance, if your research is aimed at helping educators understand the impact of social media on students, align your questions and design with models that offer practical solutions and strategies for educators. This ensures that your research not only adds to academic knowledge, but also provides valuable recommendations for real-world decision-making. By mastering these concepts, you'll be well equipped to formulate strong research questions and design robust studies. This will enhance the quality of your research and its practical impact. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. See you next time.